Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about the shadow tool. Everybody should realize that you can click on an item and have a shadow and have it angle it which way you ever think the light is doing. But did you know that you could do an inner shadow? Same thing right here. This is outer drop shadow, but this is an inner shadow. So just grab your edge and kind of go, and then you can change your slide bar and make the shadow of the object more or less and more intense or less intense. But you can do it on any item, just kind of go toward the center and you can have a shadow and you can change it quite a bit, have it off the screen. But if you keep it in the screen, then all you have to do is just change your slide bar right here to make your shadow more or less. Didn't mean to do that. Pretty cool effect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.